Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 3424 Charlack. Keep having the sewer back up on them. They had another company out here. They're running out here from the yard, and they said they couldn't get through. And then they went inside, and apparently they couldn't get through or something. They said they were going to run a camera, never did. I came out here. I got my camera when I first pulled up. I put my camera in here, and I could only get 11 feet in, and I seen a bunch of heavy roots. So I augured it out, and I ran some big cutters through there, and I finally got it to open up. So we're going to go stick our camera here in the yard trap and show you what this looks like. Be right back. Alright, so I got our camera run towards the house here. Here we are at 35 feet, as you see. I was able to get a 3.5 inch cutter up in here. It took a lot to get past this spot. I was able to get it up into the house. It took a lot of pushing and a whole lot of time to get it in there, but I did get it in there, and I did get this water or this line to drain. As you see, there's just heavy roots have taken over, and it's getting to a point that we can't cut them out. I tried running a 4-inch cutter through there and cleaning them all out real good, but it won't let me get them all out. They've taken over to where I can't cut them out with steel cable and a cutter. So I'm going to recommend a section for this to be repaired here. Maybe another clean out installed close to the house. And the remainder of the line cabled when they have it opened up and they're repairing it, probably cable it out with a big cutter and cut the remainder of the roots that are hanging around in here. Like I said, I'm unable to push past this. I'm afraid to keep messing with it. I don't want to back up on them. I'll go ahead and locate mark this. I'll be right back. Alright, yeah, I've located and marked this up by the house near the AC fan. It's 3 feet 7 inches deep. Like I said, I'm unable to push through it. We have augured a small hole through it. Like I said, I've tried with my big cutter, and I thought my cable was going to break off in there a couple times, and just unable to get through it. Like I said, I did get a small cutter through it, but this is just going to be a problem. It's going to keep backing up on them. Definitely going to recommend that section line. It'd probably be repaired, maybe a clean out installed up there, so we're a little closer to the house so you can run a decent sized cutter and cut them roots out. See a small amount of root there, or small root. Another small root there, another pretty good sized root ball there. Small roots there. Another root. Another root. And here we are at the trap. So I'm going to go ahead and run it out. Be right back. Alright, so here we are back at the trap. Everything out to the main seemed to be okay. There's a bunch of roots going out to the main. Definitely, like I said, I'm unable to get them roots out with my big cutter. I use a small cutter, and I'm just unable to get them all out. Like I said, we've only got a small hole cut through there. They are going to probably back up again soon. I recommend that to be repaired there. So, alrighty, thank you.